and her topic, she will be announcing herself.
Freedom flame flickers brightest in the darkest corners of oppression. Hadis Khan. Long live the resistance, my lord. Long live the victim who is accused to be a culprit. But he always proved himself to be the flame of joy on the causeless lands of oppression. The land wherein flammers are agitators, scorchers are informed, and beholders are cognizant. The land where the pride of dictators is burned by the men of strength, the rituals of brutality ashed by the flames of hope, and the brutal stories ended at the morals of justice. But, my lord, this injustice in the name of justice is being justified by the oppression of Israel, facing a strong blow on the chest in the form of all as people of Palestine. The culprits being made insomniac by the wonders of Gaza, and the struggles multiplied manifold against the latter's torture and percussion. But the flame of acceptance of Palestine by 149 states, the global boycott of Israel product has enlightened the brightest flame. And in the van of this freedom, the transcendental idealism of Immanuel Kant is freedom. The will to power of Rousseau, the social contract of Rousseau is freedom. And the thinking and strategy of Wollstonecraft is freedom. The freedom of the freedom of humanity. But all these testaments of hope to human capacity are the resistance, which are the hope and strength, and which has blown away the buried embers of ash and turned them into the fires of freedom for the darkest corners, my lord. And has turned them into the fighters for darkest corners. My lord, this history is a journal, and in the abstract of this journal it is written that history, despite its wrenching pain, has transited the darkest corridors of history. The darkest corridors, which has the darkness of genocide and anti-feminism, which is being massacred by the enlightened souls of Balochistan and the martyrs of my land, Kashmir, because I have the courage, hierarchy, and legacy of Hussein ibn Ali, for I am the proud bearer of Hussein. And my lord, I am being the proud bearer of Hussein. Believe, I strongly believe that when the doors are shut, eyes are closed, and we are lost, a freedom flame will still flicker brightest. The biggest obstacle in the way of oppression, the biggest obstacle, my lord, the man, ladies and gentlemen, the man behind the voice. The man behind the voice. Beside these